That unit's running. It's Freedom News now on the front lines in Battle Creek, Michigan, at the Battle Creek Police Department for a First Amendment audit. This is a follow-up. So many of you have probably seen my first video here, the Battle Creek Police Department. There's an assistance button. If you need assistance, probably after hours. You can hear all the construction and see the construction. This is where the old former police department used to be. It's all tore down now. Got a brand new one. Let's go around and take a look. Here's the rear lot. Looks like maybe Battle Creek Police. There's the Calhoun County Justice Center. We'll go over there eventually. Well, I don't see any signs that say it's restricted. Move down here to get away from some of the noise. This unit's running. So you got animal control. Yeah, I didn't see anywhere where it said restricted access, so this is around the back of the building. Different units back here. Got honor and service.
Either way. That's all I'm saying. If you can talk them into it, if not,
Is that a public entrance?
huh?
Is this a public entrance? Or is this an employee entrance?
Employee.
Employee? Didn't see it marked anywhere, so. So you can see this entrance isn't marked anywhere. Doesn't say employee entrance or not. That unit's running. Let's work our way back out. They don't seem to be too bothered with our photography, so we'll finish our work. Freedom lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe for the best ID refusal First Amendment audit fail YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment audit. I'm out.